This song features two main patterns. For the verse and chorus, we're going to start on a G major, G, B, D. Then go to a D major, D, F sharp, A. To an A minor, A, C, E. And on a C major, C, E, G. In one hand, each of those chords get one bar, starting on G major, 2, 3, 4, G, D, A minor, C. In two hands, that verse and chorus pattern could look like this. Start on G, 2, 3, 4. The pre-chorus features a slightly different pattern, starting on A minor, A, C, E, to C major, C, E, G, to G major, G, B, D, to D major, D, F sharp, A. The pattern feels like it restarts on A minor, A, C, E, then to a C again, C, E, G, but we're going somewhere slightly different, right up to D major, D, F sharp, A, for two measures. And we're back to the chorus. In one hand, that pre-chorus pattern starting on A minor could look like this. In one hand, that pre-chorus pattern could look and sound like this, starting on A minor, 2, 3, 4. C, G, go to D, restart A minor, C major, up to D, 2 times. In two hands, that pre-chorus pattern could look and sound like this. Start on A minor, 2, 3, 4.